Okay. John?
Yes.
Do you need me for anything?
No, that's it. Sheetrock, John.
Oh, okay.
Sheetrock.
Yeah, this, the ceiling gotta be replaced.
Okay, and what else?
Pretty much I just get it wired up here. And then you can go back with the sheetrock. And you gonna put insulation in the ceiling?
Yeah, if needed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. He probably will want some insulation.
Yeah. So you need to get the insulation up there before you put the sheetrock down.
All right.
Get the insulation up. And you know, I tell you roughly about 52 sheets.
52 sheets?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's for the whole house.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
But just put the sheetrock up and mud and tape it back in.
All right. And we're going to start with the kitchen. We're going to do the kitchen. And just kind of give me an idea. I can't go back there. It's dark.
You sure can.
Yeah.
I look like I can. All right. Yeah, the kitchen got to be completed, sheetrock.
Right. Right, and the
Wire got to be completed back here too.
okay.
The wire is loose up there.
Right.
Right, that's it.
Right.
So.
Plumbing look like it's intact because it's up under a slab. Now, can you aim down here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This the kitchen.
Right.
That's bathroom.
Okay. Okay.
Let me look over there and make sure it's bathroom. Gotta be the bathroom. Yep, this is bathroom.
Yeah.
Right there. Vanity go right there. Commode go right here. I guess that's a commode.
Yeah, to keep it from, yeah.
Okay. So
All right.
sheetrock the ceiling.
Let's get back out to the light.
Okay.
Okay.
So
All right.
what area are you talking about sliding?
We're gonna start with the kitchen first. We're probably gonna do the clean out first. I gotta order the dumpster. And now, do you think a dumpster is needed? Because they already did demolition, they just going back. So a dumpster is not really needed at this point, do you think?
No.
For the back of the exterior, for the outside work?
I didn't look at the outside.
All right.
But it don't look like it's needed for the inside.
Okay.
But you know they're not gonna pick that up. You gotta haul it off.
Right. Okay.
Some reason they ain't gonna stop.
All right.
Close it out.
Yes. I'm gonna leave the key.
The meter key
Yeah.
and that door. Thank you.
All right.
I'm gonna. My circuit breakers are still in there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put them in right now. Pull all your stuff out. And I'm gonna fire it up.
Okay.
Yeah.